So we'll be reviewing the handheld karaoke mic which is being sold by Nefficar. This device actually comes with a wireless transmitter and wireless receiver combo. Receiver can be plugged into any of the music systems or the existing amplification systems, and the two devices can communicate wirelessly, which would have been extremely difficult and expensive process otherwise. This works on rechargeable battery and this works on replaceable AA battery. I'll just show you quickly the functioning of the device. You simply need to push the power button and turn it on. Right, I don't know if you can see, but it's on now, and it's set on a particular frequency. There is an option to change the frequency as well. We'll just turn on this. I have already done this, so the light is on here, and just pressing this wireless key actually helps pair the two devices, right? But by default they come paired. If not, then you can use the instructions given in the manual to pair the two devices. I'll just keep the device here. And we'll try to connect it to one of these speakers and see how does it function. I have one speaker available at hand. We'll just use this, plug in the receiver and see how does it work. Before I do that, I'll just move away the mic, otherwise it will create a lot of howling sound if I keep the speaker and mic together. So let's keep the speaker here. I'll just put away the mic for the time being, and then I'll just connect the receiver. Now it comes by default, it comes with a 6.5 mm receiver, and it is actually designed for a 6.5 mm port. But in case you have a normal speaker at home which doesn't have that port, you can actually use the adapter that converts 6.5 mm into 3.5 mm. I am going to plug in this adapter into the mic port, and then I am going to plug in the receiver. Right, I've done that. Now I'm good to go. I'll just keep the device like this, and I'm going to turn on the speaker. Now I'm increasing the volume slowly, and we'll see if the devices are paired already. Hello. Now I'll just increase the volume so that you can hear the difference because of the amplification. Hello. Now the two devices are wirelessly connected, and I am able to use it as a PA system as well, which is incredible. If plugged into a more powerful speaker, it can be used to address thousands of people, hundreds of people, because it will all depend on the capacity of the speaker, the power output of the speaker. The mic in itself is a very robust and professional quality mic, so the quality of input in terms of speech that you can expect is gonna be incredible, right? So I'm going to turn off that speaker, and we are going to try it with the help of another speaker, which is, the earlier one that I had shown you was Nefficar voice amplifier system, which comes with wired headset mic. But there are people who are fond of using hand mic. When they're performing, it feels more professional, and when they're giving speeches, it feels more professional, and people like to do that. So this is one mic they can buy in addition to the amplifier. Now this is another speaker that I'm going to connect to, and we'll see how it works. Now I'm going to turn on the device, right? As I had done earlier, I'll just move away the mic a bit so that there is no howling here, right? And I'm going to plug in the receiver with the 3.5 mm adapter into the aux port, because normal speakers will come along with aux port only, and they might not have a separate port for mic input. So I've just inserted it in, and I'm keeping it here. Let's see if we can make sense of it, right? I'm keeping the speaker here. Let's see if hello. Now the devices are paired. I'll just increase the volume and see if we can see that kind of magnification. Hello. Yeah. So I think you can hear the difference. It has been connected, and I'm able to use this speaker as well as a PA system, right? So this is an incredible device which can instantly convert any of the speaker system or the existing public address system or the loudspeaker into a wire. This mic operates on two AA batteries. You can simply open the casing like this and insert two AA batteries here, right? There is also a set of keys at the back side which is used for changing the frequency at which this device operates. When you are using multiple devices, it could be an extremely useful function to avoid interference between two devices. You can set different devices at different frequencies. You can actually see the frequency at which it is operating here at the screen, right? I'll just close this, and you can just see that this can also stand stable. This is a pretty rugged design which I'm sure is going to last for long. One thing that I would like to bring to your attention is that being a moving coil dynamic microphone which processes high quality sound with minimal noise, this is obviously going to consume a bit of battery. The two batteries can last up to a maximum of 7 to 8 hours depending on your usage, right?